Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off send read receipts on your accounts on Twitter easy and quick. First click here, now click here, and now here you'll find it, send read receipts. As you see here, just click on it like this and it will be turned off. That's how to turn off send read receipts on your accounts on Twitter easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.